नमस्कार. कसे आहेत सगळे? मस्त मजेत. ठीक आहे. तर आपण सराव प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 सुरू केलेला आहे आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 मधली काही उदाहरणं आपण अभ्यासलेली आहेत. तर आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 मधली जी काही राहिलेली उदाहरणं असतील त्यातली काही उदाहरणं आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत आणि पुढची राहिलेली उदाहरणं आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत. कारण एकदा सगळी घेतली तर तुमच्या सगळं डोक्यावरून जाईल, म्हणून आपण स्टेप बाय स्टेप गणितं घेत आहोत आणि सगळे सराव संचामधली सगळी गणितं आपण सोडवत आहोत. फक्त 2-3 गणितं न सोडवता सराव संच सगळ्याच्या सगळा सोडवण्याचा आपला हट्टास आहे आणि त्याच्या मागचं कारण एवढंच आहे की माझ्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सगळी गणितं सोडवता यावीत. त्यासाठी आपण सराव संचामधली सगळीच्या सगळी गणितं सोडवत आहोत हे लक्षात घ्या. आणि आता आपण सराव संच 5.3 स्टार्ट करूया. So we are going to learn practice set 5.3 and we want to learn problem number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so start now. The problem number 5. What is it? See, show that A is a coordinates -4, -7, B coordinates -1, 2, C coordinates 8 and 5, and D coordinates 5 and -4 are the vertices of the parallelograms. So you want to prove that they are vertices of the parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? Parallelogram means opposite sides are congruent and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Means in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are congruent with each other. So when you solve this problem, in this problem two pairs slopes are same. So if you prove that two pair slopes are same, then it is parallelogram. So start now this. See here, this is the A point's coordinate -4, -7. This is the B point's coordinate -1, 2. This is the C point 8 and 5, and this is the D point 5 and -4. So here is I want to find out slope of AB. So see here, I want to find out slope of AB. So A point coordinate, this is x1. So x1 is 4 and this is y1. y1 is -7. Then B points, this is the second bracket. So it is x2. x2 is -1 and y2 is 2. So slope of line formula is y2 minus y1. So what is y2? y2 is 2 minus what is y1? y1 is -7. So I write here -7. Okay, then x2, what is x2? -1. So I write here -1 minus x1, what is x1? -4. Anyone doubts? See, when you are finding the slope of AB, then A bracket is x1 y1, B bracket is x2 y2. When you want to find out slope of BC, then B bracket is x1 y1, C bracket is x2 y2. When you want to find out slope of CD, then C bracket is x1 y1, D bracket is x2 y2. So how you are taking the pairs, according to that x1 y1 can be changed. And when you are taken AD, then A is the x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. Okay, so here is I want to find out slope of line AB. So it is y2. So y2 is 2 minus y1. So y1 is -7. So I write here -7. Then x2 is -1. So I write x2 -1 minus x1 is -4. So I write here -4. So see here, out of bracket negative sign, so -7 become +7. Out of bracket negative sign, so -7 become +7. So 2 plus 7, what you get? 2 plus 7. So -1 remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign, so -4 become +4. So here is +4. Okay, see, out of bracket negative sign, -7 become +7. So 2 plus 7, -1 carry as it is. Here middle term sign is negative, so bracket number sign change, -4 become +4. So here is -1 + 4. Anyone doubts? Then see, 2 is positive, 7 is positive. Sign of both number are same. So we can do addition. 7 plus 2, what you get? 9. So here is right, 9 is the 4 is positive and 1 is negative. Sign are not same. Sign are not same, so subtract. So 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1, what you get? 4 minus 1, what you get? 3. Bigger number sign plus 3. So 9 upon 3, that is the answer. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 and minus 1. Sign are not same. Sign are not same, so what can you do? Subtract. So 4 minus 1, what is remains? 3. So here is 3. Bigger number sign plus. So 3 is a positive. So 9 upon 3. So 3 is divided 9. 3 3s are 9. So slope of AB is equal to 3. Okay. Such a way you are getting slope of AB. Then you are finding the slope of BC. So I am already explained what is explained, what is this. So it is y2 minus y1. y2 is 5 and y1 is 2. Okay, formula is slope of BC, slope of BC y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula of slope. So y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2. x2 is 8 minus x1 is minus 1. So see, 5 minus 2, what is remain? 3. Out of bracket negative sign, minus 1 become plus 1. So here is 5 minus 2, you are getting 3. 8 plus 1, what you get? 9. So 5 minus 2, 3. So I write here 3. 8 plus 1, 9. So 3 upon 9. How it is plus? Are you understand how it is plus 1? Because here is the out of bracket negative sign. So when out of bracket negative sign, then bracket number sign change. If it is minus, then it become plus. Okay. So minus 1 is become plus 1. So 8 plus 1. 5 minus 2, what is remain? 3. 8 plus 1, what is remain? 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 1 upon 3. This is equation number 2. Then you want to find out slope of CD. So slope of line CD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is minus 4. y1 is minus 5. Then x2 is 5. x1 is 8. Minus 8. So 4 is negative, 5 is negative. Sign are same. Sign are same, so we can do addition. 4 plus 5, 9. Minus 9. So I write here minus 9. Why minus 9? Are you understand? Because 4 is negative, 5 is negative. Sign of both number are same. We can do addition of that. So 4 plus 5, you are getting 9. And whatever be their sign, that is the negative. So we can give negative. So here is minus 9 you are getting. 5 is positive and 8 is negative, sign are not same. So subtract 8 minus 5, what is remain? 3. Bigger number sign minus 1. Are you understand? Minus 4 minus 5 sign are same. So addition 4 plus 5, 9. And whatever be their sign negative, so given 9 negative. 8 minus 5, what is remain? 3. Middle term sign negative, so I give negative. So 9 is negative, 3 is negative, both having negative numerator denominator negative, so that negative sign cancel. So here is remain 9 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So slope of CD is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. So if equation number 1 is also 3, equation number 3 is also 3, so I want to find out slope of AD. So slope of AD, slope of line AD is equal to y2. y2 is minus 4 minus y1 is minus 7. x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 4. So out of bracket negative sign, minus 7 become plus 7. So minus 4 plus 7. Out of bracket negative sign, minus 4 become plus 4. So 5 plus 4. So we are getting minus 4 plus 7. See, this is the minus 4, carry minus 4. Then out of bracket negative sign, so minus 7 become plus 7. So here is plus 7. 5 carry as it is. Out of bracket negative sign, so minus 4 become plus 4. So here is plus 4 written. Anyone doubts? Then see, 4 is negative, 7 is positive, sign are not same. So subtract and give bigger number sign. 7 minus 4, what is remain? 3. Bigger number positive. Okay, so there is, we can write 3 here. So 7 minus 4 remaining is 3. 5 plus 4, what you get? 9. So I write here 9. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. 1 upon 3. So AD is equal to, you get 1 upon 3. So if you are observe, then equation 2 and equation 4, they are same, 1 upon 3. equation 1 and 3 are same. So from 1 and 3 we can write slope of AB and slope of CD as same. Slope of line AB is equal to slope of line CD because slope of AB is 3, slope of CD is 3. Then from equation 2 and 4 line, so first here is from 1 and 2 AB is parallel to CD. Then another, if two lines have equal slope then they are parallel. So from equation 2 and 4 also see there is the 1 upon 3 slope. So slope of line BC is equal to slope of line AD. Okay, slope of line BC is equal to slope of line AD. So slope of line BC is equal to what? 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. So line BC is parallel to line AD. Line BC is parallel to line AD. So here is they are parallelogram. If two lines have equal slope then they are parallel. So it is a parallelogram that can be proved. So here is right, ABCD is a parallelogram. I think all of the students are understand it. Then we are going to learn another problem, sixth problem. What is given? C. Find K. So what you want to find out in this problem? You want to find out value of K. So what is given? R is given. Our coordinates are given. Our coordinates are what? 1 and minus 1 is given. Our coordinates are 1 and minus 1. Then x coordinate are minus 2 and k. And slope of line RS is given minus 2. So slope of line is given to you. Some of the coordinates are given and they are said find a k. It is very simple that you can find out or you can write slope formula of RS. So slope of line RS that can be right here. So slope of line RS is equal to minus 2. So that can be get y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of line RS is equal to y2. Y2 is k. So I write here k minus y1. Y1 is minus 1. So that is right into the bracket minus 1. Then x2. X2 is minus 2. So I write here minus 2. Minus x1. X1 is 1. So out of bracket negative sign, so minus 1 become plus 1. So k plus 1. So here is slope of line RS, here is you get minus 2. Okay, here is you get minus 2. Then out of bracket negative sign, so minus 1 become plus 1. So here is you get k plus 1. Then 2 is negative, see the denominator, 2 is negative, 1 is negative. Sign of both number are same, so we can do addition. So 2 plus 1, what you get? 3. So here is I write 3 and give their sign negative. So I give here negative sign. Minus 3 is divided, go across, multiply. So minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to k plus 1. So see 3 2s are 6, you get plus 6. Okay, 2 is negative, 3 is negative, sign are same. So we can do the multiplication of these. 2 3s are 6. In multiplication sign are same, answer must be positive. So here is you get 6. Then this numerator k plus 1 right here. So this is the plus 1 that go across minus. So 6 minus 1. So k is equal to you are getting 6 minus 1. Why it is minus 1? Are you understand? Because this plus 1 go across minus. So k is equal to 6 minus 1, what is remains 5. So you get the value of k, that is 5. K is equal to 5. Anyone doubts? Then value of k is 5. Then problem number 7. Find k. In this problem also you want to find out k. Find k if b coordinates are k minus 5 and c coordinates are 1 and 2 and slope of line is 7. Okay, same problem given to you. So first you write the coordinates of b, that is k minus 5. Here is k, that is remains. So see here is given b k minus 5 and c 1 and 2. So we want to find out values of the k. So slope of line BC is given, that is 7. So I write slope of line BC is 7. So slope of line BC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of line BC is equal to y2. What is the y2? 2. So I write here 2 minus y1. What is the y1? Minus 5. So that is right into the bracket. Then x2. What is the x2? 1. So I write here 1 minus x1. What is the x1? K. So I write here k. So 2 out of bracket negative sign. So minus 5 become plus 5. So 2 plus 5. So slope of line BC is 7. So I write here 7. Slope of line BC is 7. So I write here 7. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 5 become plus 5. So 2 plus 5. Then 1 minus k remain as it is. So 7 is multiplying 1 minus k. See here. That is, here this 7 is remain as it is. 2 plus 5 you get 7. Why it is plus 5? Are you understand? Because out of bracket negative sign, so minus 5 become plus 5. So 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 7 and 1 minus k. So this 7 is multiplying 1 minus k. See here. Yeah. So 7 is multiplying 1 minus k is equal to this numerator 7 remain as it is. 7 1 ja 7 minus 7 into k 7k. So 7 1 ja 7 and there is a 7k. This multiplying go across divide. 7 divided 7 you get 1. So minus k go across plus k. So see here, this is 1. This plus 1 go across minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. So minus k is equal to 0. So you are know that 0 having never negative sign. So k is equal to 0. Okay. Then if anyone having doubts here, then see 7 1 ja 7. Here is they are solved such a way. 7 1 ja 7. So you get here 7. Then 7 into k, what you get? 7k. Okay. So here is you are getting that 7 7 cancel 1 0 you are getting. So k is equal to 0. Then problem number 8. Find k if PQ is parallel to RS. They have said PQ is parallel to RS. So PQ is parallel to RS means, are you know the meaning of that? Means the slope of PQ and slope of RS are same. So find the value of k. Okay. So you want to find the value of k. So here is given P points quadrant 2 4, Q points quadrant 3 6, R point quadrant 3 1, S point quadrant 5 k. So you can write this formula. Line PQ parallel line RS. So parallel lines have equal slopes. So PQ and RS they having the same slopes. So we can write that. Slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line RS. Why they are equal? I am saying because they are parallel given. PQ is parallel to RS given. So PQ is parallel to RS. If it is parallel, then slope of line PQ and slope of line RS are equal. So formula of slope of line PQ. See y2 is 6, so I write here 6 minus y1 is 4, so 6 minus 4, this is for PQ. Then x2 is 3, so I write here 3 minus x1 is 2, so I write here 2. Okay. Then what is then they are given RS, so this is the RS. y2 is k, so I write here k minus y1 is 1, so I write here 1, k minus 1. x2 is 5, so I write here 5. x1 is 3, so I write here 3. Okay. Then what are you doing? 6 minus 4, what is remain? 2. 3 minus 2, what is remain? 1. 5 minus 3, what is remain? 2. Okay. So that is written. 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1, k minus 1 remain as it is. 5 minus 3 2. Cross multiplication. So see, 1 is multiplying k, you get k. 1 is multiplying minus 1, you get minus 1. 2 is multiplying these 2, 2 2s are 4, so you are getting 4. So minus 1 go across, it become plus. So k is equal to 4 plus 1. So k is equal to 4 plus 1. So k is equal to 4 plus 1 5. So you get value of k 5. Such a way we are solved the problem number 5 to 8 problems. I hope that all of the students understand it very well. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So I am giving you homework. Please solve this homework and send me on my WhatsApp number. And like this channel and subscribe this channel. If you are already like and subscribe, then share this video with your friends and say to them subscribe it, because we are taking lecture of maths 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard also. So if they are subscribed, your friends are subscribed this channel, then that is useful for maths of 8, maths of 9 and maths of 10. Okay, and whatever be your difficulties, if you don't understand, call me. I will try to solve your difficulties.